this is your living space. I can see the colors here. It's very calm. It's very peaceful.
When I was single,
Hmm.
right, this was very like dingy and this was like a whole party area,
Yeah.
right, all of that. यहाँ पे एक बड़ा होल था, होल के पीछे वो डीजे कंसोल था, फिर शादी हो गई,
हाँ.
राइट. तो अभी ये थोड़ा सा calming हो गया है,
जी.
थोड़ा सा, but I'm very happy about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've married my best friend, and I couldn't ask for a better partner.
But tell me, Jackie, what does home mean for you?
Home for me is Rakul.
Hmm.
Because my parents most of the time are living abroad.
Yeah.
And my sister's married. So for me, when I come home, for me the definition, I'm a family guy. So मेरे लिए
I know that.
You know, mom, dad, my nephew, niece, you know, my sister, brother-in-law, Rakul, of course, is my life, and this is what I come back to. This is what I eat, sleep, breathe, and I feel that कितना भी पैसा कमा लो, if there's no family, then आप क्या करोगे उसमें?
जी.
Right? So I want to earn a lot of money and a lot of wealth so that I can not worry about that and I can enjoy with my family.
Yeah. There's a pool here, right, inside the house.
Yeah.
Do you go? Do you spend time?
Absolutely.
Really?
Absolutely.
मैंने बहुत लोग से सुना एक बार घर पे pool बना लेते फिर जाता कोई नहीं.
वो point भी सही है.
हाँ.
Because sometimes what happens is you feel that यार कहीं बाहर बे क्लब या कहीं जाते हैं या उधर स्विमिंग करते हैं. From that side, but we still use it.
Yeah.
It's more like a plunge pool. So we do a lot of you know, aerobic activities, or sometimes friends just want to chill on a weekend. Yeah, or you want to do some physio.
Yeah.
In the water. So from that standpoint, it really is helpful, and we are blessed. Honestly,
That's
pool is a luxury.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
In the house, and I'm fully modest about it. यहाँ है, so you know, we are grateful.
जी. You and Rakul both are fitness freaks. Are you guys doing something in that direction?
Yeah, we want to do a lot in the fitness space. We really want to, because we feel that it's something which we will be good at because it comes naturally to us.
Yeah.
We will do great to the society. And at the same time, it can be a great business venture also.
I also heard, in fact, when it talks about fitness, आप लोग घर पे vegetables खुद उगाते हैं?
Yes. क्या हुआ था? We were sitting one day and we read this article that India is the world cancer capital. And a lot of it is because of the chemical and fertilizers being used in the vegetables we eat. Farmers और किसी की गलती नहीं है, because yield अगर बढ़ाना है तो पैसे बढ़ाने हैं तो सबको वो करना पड़ता है. So we felt that, you know, while we are being fit, how can we be sure that the ingredients are good?
Okay.
So to begin with, at this point, we are in a trial and error stage where we've put up the kitchen garden in our house. We contacted a biogas company. So any biofuel का जो waste product निकलता है, that's one of the best खाद्स.
Okay.
So वो खाद हम मंगा के गार्डनर से हमने करके हम पूरा ऊपर बनाते हैं. So करेला, कद्दू, दूधी, मिर्ची, leafy vegetables, etc. सब ऊपर we are growing.
Wow, so this is your dining area come living space.
Yeah, this is like a dining area come living space, lounge. It's also my home theater area.
Oh.
The projection is just getting renovated, but if you can see the speakers, it's a 7.1.
Yes. So this is where you watch all your films?
Yes.
Wow, I can't do anything of this, huh? So I'll just have to follow you. I can only go as slow as possible.
But this is known Raghav.
Raghav. Crazy.
He has the ownership.
Yeah, absolutely. But you are a crazy dancer, huh? मतलब एकदम.
हाँ, मतलब मैं तो ट्रेडमिल पे करता हूँ.
अच्छा, फेवरेट स्टेप बताओ.
नहीं, मतलब जो ट्रेडमिल पे डिपिंग.
हाँ.
So what happens is when कौन चलेगा एक घंटा, कुछ एक्साइट तो करना पड़ेगा ना अपने आप को.
जी.
So I'll show you. So मैंने डिपिंग करने लगता है. तो चल रहा है.
You and Rakul enjoy dancing together?
She doesn't dance with me.
Why?
Because she feels that तुम कहीं भी शुरू हो जाते हो. She is of course a very good dancer, but rehearsed. I am a dancer.
Yeah, natural निकलते हैं.
भजन
हाँ,
वजन ये
हाँ.
वो माता का पाठ जागरण वो ना हुआ आ जाता है.
जागरण भी.
Because beats, it's actually a problem कि जहाँ मैं beats सुनता हूँ ना फिर वो
निकलता शुरू हो जाता है. वाह.
I can't help it.
Yeah, yeah.
ऐसा अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? So when you go to a club, हम क्लब गए, right? So you're
Grooving.
तो सब बोलते हैं नॉर्मल करना.
हाँ.
यही मेरा नॉर्मल है.
ये तब ठीक था. उसके बाद जो आपने किया वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता. कोई
बट लेकिन वो
वाह.
मतलब वो because शामक I have trained with शामक.
Yeah.
So by default it's a खराब आदत बोल लो या
नहीं अभी ऑफ कैमरा अभी जब भी हम सेटअप कर रहे थे तब आपने थोड़े बहुत स्टेप्स वहाँ पे भी किए. सो आदत है आपको ये. डांस फिल्म प्रोबेबली नेक्स्ट.
एक अच्छी फिल्म कर लूं पहले.
अरे सर बहुत अच्छी पिक्चरें की आपने. वी आर इन योर जिम एंड आई नो यू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम हियर. व्हाट इज अ रेगुलर डे दैट
एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग एवरी डे.
अच्छा. नो संडे ऑफ आल्सो.
संडे आई टेक ऑफ समटाइम्स बट अगर मिड वीक ऑफ हो गया तो फिर संडे आई डू कार्डियो. बट इट्स लाइक मेरे लिए जिम इज लाइक टेकिंग अ शावर. मतलब अगर कोई बोले ना नहा के आए हो क्या, ऑफ कोर्स ना, तो वर्कआउट करके आए हो इज फॉर मी दैट.
श्योर.
इट्स नॉट कि यार मुझे अब जिम करना, बल्कि जिस दिन जिम नहीं होता मैं डिप्रेस हो जाता हूँ. यार
मूड अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है.
3 घंटा सो नहीं पाया ढंग से, मैं जिम नहीं कर पाया. बिना नहाए आप चले जाते हो तो कैसा अजीब लगता है ना. आपको लगता है कोई पकड़ तो नहीं लेगा मुझे. आई फील लाइक दैट व्हेन आई डोंट वर्क आउट. ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वाज 150 kgs.
Yeah.
So I never want to go back there.
So it's a mix of cardio and weight training every day for you?
Yeah, 20 minutes of cardio every day after weights, and otherwise 75 minutes of pure cardio when this cardio, because I have a tendency of gaining weight.
Yeah.
So मुझे वो 20 मिनट cardio post workout करना ही पड़ता है.
And this was your prerequisite कि घर जब बनेगा तब घर में जिम होना जरूरी है. Last thing, Jackie, the house is really, really beautiful, but I really want to ask you if your house could tell your story, some story about you, what will it say?
The gym. The gym.
It defines you.
This is like my mandir.
It's amazing. It's a very nice house. जैसे मैं बहुत बार कहता हूँ कि बहुत बार लग्जरी घर में जाते हैं तो थोड़ा सा होटल वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है और घर नहीं लगता, पर यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है. It's luxury, but you also feel the house. There's peace, there's niceness, there's goodness.
I think thank you so much. People make
I agree.
The difference.
I agree. Thank you so much for allowing us into your space. It really means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Avinash. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.